Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be taking a look at the all-new Toyota Fortuner 2025. This SUV is sure to turn heads with its sleek new design and powerful engine, so let's get started. Exterior. The first thing you'll notice about the Fortuner 2025 is its bold new exterior. The front grille is now larger and more aggressive, and the headlights have been redesigned to give the SUV a more modern look. The side profile is also more muscular, and the rear end has been updated with new taillights. Interior. The interior of the Fortuner 2025 is just as impressive as the exterior. The dashboard has been completely redesigned with a focus on luxury and comfort. The seats are upholstered in high-quality leather, and the cabin is filled with soft-touch materials. The infotainment system is now larger and more responsive, and it comes with a host of new features, including Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Engine. The Fortuner 2025 is powered by a new 2.8 liters turbocharged diesel engine that produces 201 horsepower and 450 Nm of torque. This engine is mated to a 6-speed automatic transmission, and it provides plenty of power for both on-road and off-road driving. Features. The Fortuner 2025 comes standard with a host of safety features, including 7 airbags, ABS, and electronic stability control. It also comes with a number of convenience features, such as a sunroof, push-button start, and keyless entry. Overall, the Toyota Fortuner 2025 is a great SUV that is sure to appeal to a wide range of buyers. It has a stylish design, a powerful engine, and a luxurious interior. It's also packed with features, and it's priced competitively. If you're looking for a new SUV, I highly recommend checking out the Fortuner 2025. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great content.